Apple is expected to launch 3 iPhone models in fall this year. 2 OLED models with display size of 6.5 inches and 5.8 inches, and a 6.1-inch LCD model. Apart from that, Apple's 2018 lineup is also rumored to include the successor of iPhone SE. Recent reports have suggested the company could unveil the iPhone SE 2 at its Worldwide Developers Conference in June. While we haven't received any official word yet, the iPhone SE 2 has been appearing in leaks since the beginning of 2017. Moreover, many analysts believe the device really exists and is in the making. When it comes to specifications though, not much is known about the second generation of iPhone SE. That said, a new report coming from China has revealed some details of the alleged iPhone SE 2. Going by the report, the iPhone SE 2 will sport a similar design as that of the iPhone SE. This means the device will have a metallic frame and back, and the phone's display will be surrounded with thick bezels at the top and bottom. It could also retain the home button enabled with Touch ID sensor. However, the handset is likely be fitted with a slightly larger display of 4.2 inches. When it comes to specifications, the report further claims that the iPhone SE 2 will come equipped with an Apple A10 Fusion SoC, which is the same processor that powers the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. The handset is said to offer 2 GB of RAM, coupled with 32 GB or 128 GB internal storage options. If earlier rumors are to be believed, the iPhone SE 2 will have a glass back for offering wireless charging support. However, KGI Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo thinks otherwise. According to Kuo's prediction, in order to keep the price down, Apple will not include high-end features like 3D facial recognition technology and wireless charging support in the iPhone SE 2. Kuo also expects the device to run on iOS 12.